Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Update WhatsApp and enable a device screen lock so the app can tie into Android security. Once done, open WhatsApp and locate the chat you want to lock. Tap and hold the conversation to select it, because this first action signals WhatsApp which chat you will secure. Make sure you're using an account with full access and that notifications are allowed so locked chat previews behave predictably. With the chat selected, tap the three-dot menu at the top right, choose More, then Lock Chat. WhatsApp will explain that locked chats require device authentication. Confirm using your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. This step binds the chat to your secure lock so only you can open it. If prompted, allow permission for WhatsApp to use biometric or screen lock features. This ensures quick access for you and denies others without authentication. Finish by opening the locked conversation to confirm a lock icon and that it asks for authentication. Make sure message previews behave how you want by adjusting notifications in WhatsApp settings. If the lock doesn't activate, first re-enable your Android screen lock and biometric settings, then restart the phone and retry. Many issues clear after a reboot. If problems persist, update WhatsApp or clear its cache. Don't uninstall. That can remove local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.